Hi all and welcome to the channel. We've just come back from a trip at Waddouring Dam and it is magic. It's northeast of Perth, a couple of hours, and so it's very hard to find freshwater dams where you can camp on in inland WA, and this was a pearler. It's not on a lot of books and maps, so you'll have to find it. It's if you look on Google Earth, that's probably your best bet. We were told about it, and so we decided to head out there over the Anzac weekend. As I say, it's absolutely brilliant, so stick around and I'll tell you a bit more. Well, morning all. We're off on another trip. It's Anzac weekend here in Western Australia, so we've taken a couple of days off and we're going to head up to a dam we've heard about. It's a freshwater dam and it's up on the Bencubbin Kellerberrin road. About halfway up, it's as I say, freshwater. It looks like it's got a few facilities there, a walk trail, so it'll be interesting. I'm even going to pack the fishing rod because when I was at Topham where they were actually catching some silver perch. Well, that's what I heard later on, so I'll just take it just in case and have a flick around. So stick around, we'll show you the trip, and it might be a nice place for you to go for a camp. Thanks for watching. Well, just arrived. Nice easy access into the dam here. Let's turn around, show you that. So good pull off areas. They've done a bit of roadworks here, so that makes it a lot easier. Waddouring Dam. Another rock out over there, but that's fenced off. You can see the rocks out that way. So we'll go in, have a look at the place and see what we've got. So we're in the shire of Mount Marshell. Campfires, barbecues, peach ovens within Shire Reserve and camping grounds. Campfires are not permitted at any time during the prohibited burn off period, 1st November to 31st of January. So just up the top here still, copper's logs all around. Good stack of firewood there if you've got a chainsaw, some big stuff, and more camping area just up through here. And now we're just following the track down to the actual dam itself. Not too many overhanging branches, fairly clear, so good height clearance. This morning we had a beautiful night's sleep, great fire, met some local people, so that was really nice. A few flies around yesterday, but we have the fly tent thing, so that worked great. And as I say, great night's sleep, not too cold. Up this morning and in the short sleeves by 7 o'clock, so that's pretty good. Most of this rock is all fenced off, but in the corner of the parking area, camping area, there's actually a little access hole that somebody's put in there, so I'll go up, take a few photos up on the rock. Water's just running, trickling down from up on the top there. It's very pretty at this time of morning. Sun's just up. A few clouds way over in the background. It's supposed to rain next week, but I don't think it's going to affect us. Some more water running off the rock here, and just coming further up onto the back of the rock, there's some more channeling being done up here. Now that's a bit of the view from up here. I can see across to the hill on the other side, and it looks like there's another rock wall all the way over there. So if I get a chance I might go over to that side and have a look if you can get up there. But as I say, a lot of it has been fenced off, apart from that little gap down by the campground. Well, that's the view from up here. Absolutely brilliant, no rubbish, which is really nice. So the whole trip's worth it just to come up here this morning and have a look around. Nice cool breeze blowing, but not cold. And I wish that the camera would actually justify what I can see from up here. So if you do come, please respect the area. Make sure that you take all your rubbish at home with you, and bring your own firewood, because there is a big fire pit there, but I don't want people ripping out trees just to try and light them up. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll be adding some photographs at the end that I've taken while I've been up here, and please subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up, whatever. Help me get my ratings up on YouTube. or just tell a friend about me and my channel. All helps, and hopefully I'll catch a few of yous out there like I did at the last camp down at Lake Ninnin. Came across a couple of mates down there, or a couple of followers, which was really nice. So keep the shiny side up, and thanks for watching.